Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by exposing the DFA structure and eliminating distractions. List every state, the start, acceptors, and every labeled transition. Once done, run a breadth-first search from the start to remove unreachable states. This guarantees you work only with what affects the language. Make sure to add an explicit dead state for any missing transitions so the transition function is total. These steps reduce complexity and prepare the machine for the conversion process you'll apply next. Now convert the cleaned DFA into a generalized NFA to support rejects labels. Create a new single start and single accept state. Connect the new start to the original start with an epsilon, and connect every original accepting state to the new accept with epsilons. Replace each DFA transition with a regex label, the symbol, merging parallel edges by union. This normalization lets you perform systematic state elimination while preserving the exact language. Proceed by eliminating each intermediate state one at a time, updating labels between remaining states using the standard elimination formula. When removing state K, replace paths I right arrow K, right arrow J with I right arrow J labeled RIC, RKK asterisk RKJ, and union it with any existing R-idge. Once all intermediates are gone, the label from the single start to the single accept is a regular expression for the DFA language. If your expression explodes, check for missed unreachable states or forgotten dead state transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.